Hello and happy Monday. Ooh, my head is in the sun. We gotta scooch. I am sitting outside on the deck. I've worked out. I started laundry. What else have I done? Fed the cat. Skipped the litter box. I wrote out last night in bed an entire list of what my ideal summer morning routine looks like, and I've been trying to follow it pretty strictly this morning, and I just feel like together, if that makes any sense. I feel organized and like I don't have to think about what's next, which is nice. I used to do that and I just haven't done it in a while, and I just feel more on top of myself. I'm seeing lots of little wasps flying around, which is getting on my nerves because the pest people were just here. I don't see them going to any specific nest though, so I'm not gonna call them yet. Anyway, so that's how I'm approaching this morning. I don't know what the girl's name was, but I stumbled upon a girl's TikTok because of course I got wine drunk and made a TikTok. I saw some beautiful plus size influencer on Instagram Reels, and I watched a bunch of her Reels. She wears like a ton of orange. She's gorgeous. I don't know her name off the top of my head either. But I was watching that and I had drank some wine and I was like, I'm gonna make a TikTok. So that's what I did. It's Amandaphenomenon, just like my Instagram. So go check me out on there if you have one. Anyway, I was watching some girls' videos on TikTok last night, and she just like, it was so not strict, but like disciplined, I guess, in her routine. She got up, she did the same thing every day, got it all done, and I was just like, I can do that. I can do that. I've done that. Why am I not doing it? So today's day one. That's what we're doing. I've got my coffee. Coffee is part of the morning routine. I've got a magazine I'm almost finished reading. A little bit of reading is part of the morning routine. Vlogging obviously isn't, but this is just something that's going to be sprinkled in here and there. And yeah, I'm feeling good about it. Feeling pretty good about it. And a meditation is back on the routine, so be getting that in. I like to meditate, I just don't make time for it. So I know some people just aren't into it. I enjoy it. Yeah. My garden is a little wild and overgrown. I had to put the net on the pepper plant because the squirrels started eating those too, which is so annoying. I get that it's apparently because they're thirsty and it's been hot. The days have been in the 90s, but like feel like they're in the hundreds. I get it, but I mean, can't they just go find a puddle or something? Don't gotta be eating my fruit. Are those fruits? I mean, I know we call them vegetables, but tomatoes and peppers are fruits, right? I have no idea. Anyway, what's the week look like? The week looks fairly tame. Not a lot planned. I am going into the office tomorrow. I mean, I'll show what I can, but I can't really show a ton of the office. And then Sunday we have a pool party at my brother's house. So that's what the week is looking like. My bushes in the back are finally bloomed. I think I'll show you guys that. But please ignore the fact that it is a mess in the backyard. We have not weeded in a while. That is apparently also on the weekly chore list according to Austin. Yeah, so I'm gonna enjoy my coffee, I'm gonna read, and I'm going to meditate. And throughout all this, I am keeping an eye on my emails and work stuff too. Obviously, if I've got a meeting or something, that changes the morning routine a little. But yeah, that's what I'm up to. It's horribly obstructed because of these stupid cable lines, but our bushes are blooming. They're just the most beautiful, delicious shade of like purple. Like some of it's lilac-y, some of it's verges on, like fuchsia. It's really pretty. So we are going to go to the grocery store. I took a shower and Austin's in there talking on his video games. Took a shower and filmed, and so I've got like excessive makeup for the grocery store, but I've got these sunglasses that I got at Torrid, Aritzia top, J. Crew skirt, and then my cute little Birkenstocks vintage purse, which just happens to go with the outfit, but I already had all my stuff in there. That's what I'm wearing. I want something simple because I figured I wasn't going to be wearing this very long. I mean, I took my shower at like nearly 4 o'clock, so yeah. Just had a really busy day. Lots of work stuff, lots of personal stuff. Mondays are always so busy. My new earring holder just came, so I'll reorganize my earrings later, maybe tonight, because I've only got one show, although last week it was 2 hours, so And then I realized I said we were going to the grocery store, and we literally went to the grocery store like yesterday, but Austin got distracted in the peanut butter aisle getting cookies and forgot to get jelly. And then he also realized we didn't have condiments anymore. We used pretty much all those up. And while we were there, I got this pizza crust. These are coincidentally vegan, these Pillsbury ones, and the like regular one, not just the thin crust. So I'm gonna make pizza tonight because I do go into the office tomorrow, and that means I'll have leftovers, which is perfect. I could take those for lunch. So that's what I'm getting into. I think I've got some laundry in the dryer I'm gonna fold, and then I'm probably gonna get into making this pizza. Hey y'all, hey, happy Tuesday. So I did mention to you guys yesterday I was starting to kind of create a morning routine for myself, get myself back into some sort of routine. And so yesterday I think that went swimmingly. There was some things towards the end of the routine that needed flexibility, and I'm fine with that. Now I've taken that as a template, and I've called that my perfect summer morning routine, staying home. Now I'm working on perfect summer morning routine, leaving the house, because today I'm leaving the house. I'm going to the office downtown, and I need to get ready for that instead of being home and getting all these extra things done. So I'm working on that now, just putting on a little face so that I look like a human. I'm sure I don't need to do this. I'm sure no one else is gonna have all this face on, but it makes me happy. I've been enjoying it, so I'm doing it. Using this little Ilia mascara. It's not bad, but I don't know that it's one I'd repurchase because the brush is a little fussy. Because it's got like different textured bristles, different heights and lengths and stuff on one brush, and it's like you have to turn it to the right place to get the one you're looking for, which is kind of annoying. But once it's on, it looks very nice. So yeah, I'm going to the office. Austin is at a morning dentist appointment right now, and once he gets back, I will head in. There's no obligation for me to be in there all day, and my in-person meeting isn't until the afternoon, so I figured no rush. I'll just get myself ready at a nice leisurely pace and head down once he gets back with the car. My boss did offer to pop by and pick me up, but since he had this morning appointment, he didn't know he had this appointment until literally like 4 or 5 o'clock yesterday, because it was supposed to be on a different day this week, and they asked if he could move it, and he's just like, yeah, and I'm like, oh, okay, whatever. That just means I'll take my time getting ready this morning. Did paint my nails yesterday, so they're looking less crazy, but my middle finger and my pinky on this hand are still quite a bit shorter. We haven't quite gotten to the spot where I'm gonna stop letting these ones get longer so those ones can level out, but they don't look crazy, so I'm not mad about it. Especially when I've got a nice fresh manicure. Yeah, so Austin at that appointment, and I am just leisurely taking my time, posted another one of my backlog of reels on TikTok. I looked through all my notifications this morning, just kind of chilled in bed, and then once I was ready, I got cracking on this morning routine. I mean, that said, I was still out of bed before 8 o'clock, so it's not like I was really loafing all that much. There we go, mascara done. Okay, I'm gonna get back to putting on my face. I just wanted to say good morning. Leaving work. Gotta show you guys this view. It is a fuss to come into the office, but the view is everything. Hello and happy Wednesday. It's Wednesday, right? Yes. I just did a hit workout. My legs feel like jello, and I'm out of coffee. We have coffee, but there's none made. I don't feel like making any, so I'm walking up to reward myself with coffee for doing a hard workout. And the street stinks because the trash was picked up, so it smells like straight hot, nasty trash juice. Ugh. Coffee acquired. I'm so tired. I need this coffee. And it's like 10. I got a late start because I slept a bit extra today. And I needed it. I don't know why I needed it. I just really did. And I've just been slow going at my morning routine. And I had a couple things from yesterday I needed to get done. I never got around to organizing my stud earrings, which I wanted to do, so I did that. I'll show you guys my earrings and how I've set them up with the new earring holder. And then I never got around to hanging up the clean clothes that I put away. I put away all the clean clothes, but I didn't do the hanging stuff. So now I've got my coffee. I'm gonna relax a minute. Okay. I just wanted to show you guys this because I literally just did this, and then I'm going to show you my earrings. So, oh gosh, the door's going to come back on. Stop moving. There we go. On the back of my door, which I leave open because my desk is too long at the moment, I decided to put hooks so I could hang all my big bags. This was getting a little misshapen sitting over there, so I figured this would be a good idea. I've been using these two to go into the office, and then I just threw my Riot Fest tote on there too. But now my big bags are off the floor. It's just my basket on the floor now, which I need to decide what I'm going to do with this, because now that we have a larger farmer's market than we did in Westminster, I don't know that this is functional for taking to the farmer's market anymore. So I need to decide if I'm going to do something with that, use it some other way. I got to figure something out with that. Okay, so earrings. I just reorganized all the studs this morning. So these are in good shape. I cleaned those up and they're looking good. I'm quite pleased with this. We've got room to grow, and that could be for studs or for dangly earrings. And then over here on my new holder, I put all the dangly ones, and I gave them a row in between so they could actually hang and not overlap on each other. And I had literally like the exact amount. These don't really hang on here very well because of the shape, and these don't hang in these holes very well either. They always slip right out, so I've just got those down there. But I'm very, very happy with that. Now, well, not now, but next I'm gonna have to tackle this because I don't love it, and I've got bracelets and things to put up. This is just my stick-on bra. I need to clean that. Yeah, I need to figure out something here next, but that's probably not anytime soon because I just mentally don't feel like tackling it. But yeah, very happy with the earrings. It's all very cute. We're out at dinner with Joseph and Heather. Say hello, Heather. Say hello, Joseph.
Please roll. Right.
Say hello, Austin.
Hello, Austin. I'm doing chicken.
I don't think I got a clip of this earlier, but oh, this dress is so fun and comfortable. It looks really good with these earrings too. But now I'm gonna change because I got stuff to do. Hello and happy Thursday. We are heading to Lord Baltimore Hotel for the Maryland Vegan Restaurant Month launch party. That's a mouthful. They have lots of vegan restaurants participating that are vendoring at this event. So we're gonna go eat a whole bunch of yummy food. We're here, we've tried all the food. It's been delicious. Hello and happy Friday. We are out at Golden West. It is the first official day of Maryland Vegan Restaurant Month. So we came out to celebrate. This is one of the Vegan Month specials. This is the coconut French toast. And it's got like a guava syrup. And then got some buffalo cauliflower and French fries to share. And then Austin is waiting on his vegan steak, which I will definitely show you guys. So here is the vegan steak. So this French toast is amazing. The guava sauce, so good. And Austin, he said that steak is the best one he's tried. And it's like so weird how similar it is to steak, but not. It's so strange. Hey y'all, happy Monday. I'm tacking this on to the weekly vlog because one, I didn't film a single thing on Saturday. We did yard work and then loafed around the whole day, which felt so weird. It made Saturday feel like a Sunday because usually we loaf on Sundays. Usually on Saturdays we're out doing a bunch of stuff, so it felt strange, but like we really didn't do anything Saturday worth filming. And then Sunday we went to a vintage palooza, I think is what it was called. It was like 70 plus vintage vendors, and that was a lot of fun. And I am going to do a reel, or I guess on YouTube it's a short of that, so I'll upload that at some point. I think you'll see that after you see the vlog, but I wanted to talk about that. I think this is going to be the last weekly vlog for a little while because I'm going to experiment with short form content. I want to maybe, instead of just filming a vlog where I'm not really doing anything, pinpoint events where I'm doing stuff and just do a short form video for those. So like a short form video for the, what am I trying to say? The Maryland Vegan Restaurant Month launch party. You'll see that I think the day after you see this. And that was my very first like event reel TikTok type thing I've ever made. I did just start a TikTok. It is linked down below. Check it out. Sorry if you hear a lot of noise. I think there's a big ass truck going down our street. Anyway, I wanted to experiment with doing like short form videos for each individual event I go to or thing I do, instead of doing these big vlogs, and just see how I like it, see how y'all like it. Just something different, experimenting, trying new things. Thought it might be fun. So I will be putting up a video of that vintage palooza, a small clip of being there, but a haul of what I got. So keep an eye out for that. So we're gonna be on hiatus from vlogs for a little while unless I have a really packed week and just feel like it's necessary. So that is the plan for right now. Definitely leave your opinions down below, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.